Lola. Whew, it is late. It is a late night filming session, you guys, but I have some really awesome PR products I wanted to share with you guys. The main one being this baby right here. I just got this in the mail the other day. FedEx dropped it off at my front door, and when I opened the door, I was like, oh my God, this is the biggest package I've ever received, period. Not just PR package, but package I've ever received. It is so big. CoverGirl, I am so excited. So I definitely didn't want to hold off filming this video. I wanted to film it for you guys ASAP. But in addition to this giant CoverGirl PR package, I do have some others I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm going to start with the smaller stuff first, and then we'll finish with the grand finale. I actually might do a separate video completely about this because there's just so much in here, I imagine. Like, look at how big this is. So I have a feeling this is going to be a whole video in and of itself, but I at least want to like open it up and show you guys in this video, right? So if you're unfamiliar, PR stands for press, public relations, press, something like that. I really need to Google it and figure out what it really stands for. But basically, companies will send influencers free products to try out in hopes that they share it with their subscribers. It's kind of like their marketing technique, and these are the products that I have received recently. I have a couple other videos like this. I really should make a playlist. I don't think I have a playlist, but I do have a couple more, so if you're curious to see kind of some products that I've gotten in the past, you can check out the previous ones. But yeah, I don't get a lot of PR. I know a lot of people, a lot of influencers get a ton of PR. I actually don't get very much, so when I do, I'm just like so excited. Like, okay, I'm gonna hop in and get started. So some of these products I've used in videos already. In fact, this one you have seen already. I filmed this video earlier today. I don't like this product. It got glitter everywhere. It got glitter all over my lips. This is by the brand Canon Cosmetics. Yeah, Canon Cosmetics. This is their matte to glitter lip trio. Just watch the video. I'll link it down below for you. It was very unexpected. We'll put it that way. I also got a product from Double Dare. So they sent me their Honey Milk Drop Body Wash and their I Am Buddy. This is like a tool that you use to apply your body wash. It's kind of like a loofah, but it's this really interesting tool right here. So you put the shower gel in there, and then you buff it into your skin either on that side or this side. You could use it on your face, you could use it on your body, and if you use it on your body, it's supposed to help reduce the appearance of things like cellulite. It's good for scalp care, lymph care, foot care. It's just supposed to be this really cool tool. I will say I haven't seen a decrease in the appearance of cellulite at all, but it is a really cool tool. I actually pulled it out of the shower and put it back in this little box to share with you guys because that's how I do all my hauls. I don't know. I like to show you the packaging. And then the shower gel was actually wet, so I didn't put it back in the box, and it's dry now, but this stuff is really good shower gel. It's super duper moisturizing, and it turns into like this foam that is great on top of this I Am Buddy. It just works really well together. So definitely a good product. Speaking of shower goodies, I finally had the chance to try out Jergens. So Jergens sent me their wet skin moisturizer. I have been wanting to try this for so long. It's dripping water because I pulled it out of the shower. I'm a huge fan of the Lush Rose Argan Oil, not Argan Oil, Rose Argan Body Conditioner. And this is basically the same kind of concept where it's an in-shower body lotion essentially. And I really like the Jergens one. I will say the scent, oh, there's water. Ah, this is what I get for pulling things out of the shower. Yeah, I'm just gonna close that. The scent is not my favorite. It does smell like Jergens lotion. I much prefer like the Lush one. But I did hear that Nivea has one also that I really want to try out. But this one is really good too. This one has the Restoring Argan Oil in it, and it definitely moisturizes my skin. Lots of skincare this time around. So Saturday Skin also sent me some of their products. I got their Daily Dew Hydrating Essence Mist. I'm still a little unsure on how you're supposed to use an essence mist. I know it's part of the 10-step Korean skincare routine, but I'm just still a little bit like unsure. Like, do I put this on as skincare? Do I put it on over my makeup, under my makeup? Like, how exactly am I supposed to use this? It smells really good, and I really like the brand Saturday Skin. I want to try out their facial cleanser, so I might. And then they also sent me their brightening mask. This is a sheet mask. I haven't tried this yet. I've kind of been holding off because I want to put it in a video. So we'll see, but it feels really ooey gooey, which is my favorite kind of sheet mask. So there's that. And then I also got a face mask from Maskology. This one I already used, but I saved the package so that I could show you guys. It smells like watermelon blow pops. It smells so stinking good. I talked about this in my April favorites. Is that what month just passed? No, March favorites? March favorites. So check out that video if you want to hear me talk more about it, but love the sheet masks. I also got a package from Benefit. Now Benefit is like one of my all-time favorite higher end brands, and I am so blessed to be on their PR list. I don't get the huge PR packages like some of the influencers get, but they definitely send me things here and there, and I'm always so grateful every single time I get one. So they're doing one of their brow searches again. They did one of these last year, and I participated. I didn't win, obviously, but they do this thing where you post pictures of your eyebrow looks on Instagram, and then they pick like 20 people who go to like this brow boot camp, and you basically just like, I don't know, spend time with Benefit, learn about their products, get to meet other influencers, and you get a chance to be like the face of Benefit. So they sent me a brow kit basically to kind of help me to create those brow photos. So this has all of their brow products in it, which is like, oh my gosh, Benefit, thank you so much for being so stinking generous. So you open this up and there's every single Benefit brow product that you could think of. You have the Goof Proof Brow Pencil, you have the Precisely My Brow Pencil, you have the Ka-Brow, you have the 3D Brow Tones, you have their Highbrow Pencil, you have the Foolproof Brow Powder, which is a newer product by them, you have Brow Zings, and you have the 24-hour Brow Setter. So they really hooked it up. I can tell you guys, I absolutely adore Benefit brow products. They are hands down some of my favorite brow products ever that I've tried. They have such a good variety of things, so these will definitely be getting some use, and any of the product that I don't use I will definitely include in giveaways, which I am doing a giveaway soon. Giveaway coming very soon, so you might see some of these products in there. Okay, last but certainly not least, let's dig into this CoverGirl package. If you follow me on Snapchat, then you know exactly when I got this package, and I have just been like, I want to peek so bad, and I didn't, and I kind of did a little sneak peek on Snapchat, but you really didn't see anything. So let's dig into this big old man pajama. Yes, I am wearing, got a wedgie, pajamas. For those of you who are like, is she wearing pajamas? Yes, I am wearing pajamas. This box is so big. So I did read this card yesterday. So they sent me a card that basically, well, let me read it to you guys. So it says, hello beautiful. At CoverGirl, we believe makeup is so much more than a cosmetic. It's an enabler of personal transformation and self-expression. This was the inspiration behind our new campaign, I Am What I Make Up. So I am what I make up. Which celebrates the unapologetic creation of whatever version of yourself you feel like being in the moment. Our new CoverGirl Spring 2018 collection has a new look and feel, but what remains unchanged are our values of authenticity, diversity, and the belief that transformational makeup should be available to all beauty lovers. Oh, so sweet. From bold brows to perfectly matte lips, we cannot wait to see what beauty looks you create. Please tag hashtag CoverGirlMade so we can see how you uniquely make up. You guys ready to see what's in there? Oh my gosh, this is so big. Ugh. I really wish somebody was here to help me. Okay, come on. Okay, nope, not working. Well, that was a chore in and of itself. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ooh! So here what was inside of that box. This is so stinking heavy. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh.
What does my face tell you?
It's playing something for me.
Does it say that I'm vain? Or does it tell you that I'm strong? That I'll run this company someday? My face can be bold when you expect me to be weak.
That was so cute, you guys. This is the most thoughtful, awesome PR package I've gotten like in a really long time. I'm so stinking excited. That was really stinking cool. So on the top here, it looks like we have lip products. And then, let's see. Looks like, oh, they're labeled right here. So lips, eyes, and skin. So we have, oh my gosh. Oh, there's like a little plastic thing on it. All these lip products. Ooh, eye products. There's like a little sheet that tells you all about all the products. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Ah! There's eyeshadows. It looks like there's mascaras. What are these? Liquid liners in different colors too. Ooh. Ooh, these look like Benefit Cabral. Who copied who? Just kidding. So there's that one, and then skin. I really want to go through all of these products like individually in a separate video. So let me know if that's something you want to see. I will be honest, it's been a while since I've really played around with CoverGirl cosmetics. So that's one of the reasons why I'm so stinking excited to have this huge PR package, is because I can really dig back into the brand and kind of rediscover my love for it. I used to love CoverGirl college, high school, and I don't want to say I forgot about it, but this is so exciting to me because now I get a chance to rediscover it. So let me know. Oh my gosh, they just, oh, there's, look at this. There's, oh, wow. This is so cool. Yeah, let me know if you want to see a dedicated video where I go through and maybe like swatch everything or talk about each of the products, and I will definitely film that for you guys. But yeah, those are the PR packages that I have received recently. Let me know if you want to see a video on anything else. Definitely I'll do some Benefit stuff. Keep an eye out on my Instagram for that, because I will definitely be participating in the brow search. And then I will link all my other videos down below where I've tested out some of these other products so you can see them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much to all of these companies for allowing me the opportunity to try out your products. It is just so exciting and so like overwhelming, and like that you are giving me the opportunity to share my thoughts with my subscribers. So I cannot say in enough words, in any words really, how grateful I actually am to receive all these products. So thank you guys so much. I'm in like a little bit of a state of shock right now because I've never received anything like these before. So, and thank you guys, my subscribers. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have opportunities like this. So anyways, I'm gonna go off my soapbox, and you know what? I'm gonna go pull these lashes off. Time for bed, honey. Ooh, this one is a little bit more stuck over here. Oh, that feels wonderful. And now I look like a naked panda. Alright guys, I'm gonna head off. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time.